G'day everyone, just thought I'd come down and give you a quick opening morning look at the Gold Coast show this year, 2022. It's pretty big this year. I'm going to start down near Smith Street and we're going to head right up towards the bridge, and it's pretty big, so I'll try to cover the best I can. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and the day's finding up down here, Friday. My birthday in a few days, so yeah, the big old 5-4 for me, always on Gold Coast show weekend. So you guys enjoy this, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, eh? So down near the tackle shop at Smith Street, at the end of Smith Street, we've got the kiddies rides and the kiddies, the little pet farm with all the baby animals. So we're going to start down there. We've got the Rural Fire Service down here doing a show. I hope this camera's working out okay for you. And we'll get going, eh? Okay. So you got the good old trusty, the kiddies horse and pony rides. You get the baby animal farm, just getting into gear. And we're headed up towards Nin Street, near the old bathing pavilion. You got the wood chop in here, all set up to go, next to the toilets. There's not much for a minute, so we'll just get up near the pool. You got the Southport pool there. There's not much going on there. A couple of tents down the back for ice creams and things. But yeah, not much. They're coming up to the pool. The other side of the park is quite full. I came past yesterday afternoon. They were finishing setting up. Came down here a couple of years ago with my wife, who unfortunately has left me for the meantime with my little boy. Very sad. I would like to be enjoying it with them. But that's life. We've all got to take our ups and downs. Plenty of parking in there, but already getting pretty full. So I suggest you park up around Johnson Street somewhere maybe, or down around Stevens Street at Musgrave Hill. Got a few trucks in there. That's about all. Coming up to the parklands now. A lot of people heading in early. A lot of tents in there. See if I can stop up here somewhere for you to have a bit of a look. But lots of food stalls in there. Sorry about the boring bit here. Now coming up out the front of Australia Fair. Cars all parked on the other side of the road already. Okay. Don't know what's got in here, but the stage is in here, as you know. See if I can get in there and have a squeeze for you. We've got the rolling balls for the kids to jump in and run around. That's just behind the stage. Swimming area, a few ice cream machines and things like that. We'll see if we can get over in front of the stage, hey? See what's going on in here. I guess the bar will be set up. Here you go. So there you go, you got your all your yummies, your treats. Kids are all dancing already. Food stalls. You got a merry-go-round over the other side there. We'll head down here. See what we can find. Hey buddy. The government's even got their cross river rail thing here, eh? Okay, doesn't look like they got the bar here this year. They usually have the big bar there. But we'll keep looking. They'd be loving me on the bike going through here, I'd imagine. Virtual reality tent around near the stage. Some toys and junk for the kids. You got a heroes and villains showcase. Hey fellas.
G'day mate. We saved you a ticket before you go.
I'm promoting you, Zoe. Get down here, nice fellas. Save me a ticket. Yeah. What do you want to sell me? Right. We get down near the rides. This is going to be a long video upload, so I want to try to get through this as quick as I can. So headed down towards the rides now. Got some toilets there, just near the big kiddies playground. Pretty crowded already. Oh, at least the blow up trampoline's working for a change. Lots of people starting to turn up. It's free rides for the kids on the trains, I think, or the trams under 5. We'll get some camel rides down near the swimming area. That'll be fun for all the mums and dads. Wear your long pants. I used to work with the camels. They're dirty buggers. Down at Broadbeach. Camelot camels, there you go. Beef jerky tent. Spanish churros. I don't know what a churros is, some of you might. Okay, now we're into the rides. This is where you better bring your wallet. See if I can get in here because there's not too many people here kind of yet. Looks like some pretty basic kids rides. Oh, the teacups, everyone's favourite. The duckies. Dodgem cars. It's $10 a car for the Dodgem cars. There you go, people. Told you, bring your wallet. Oh my God. Maybe it's got something to do with the price of electricity. We can blame Albanese for that. More Dodgem cars. Trampolines for the kids. My daughter used to love them. The ghost train. Or the House of Fun, I think it is. The House of Fun. Ghost train. Godfrey's on a daggy dog. More balloons. Where you guys can go and get yourself a prize for your girlfriend. Come out empty-handed. There you go. We'll go over here, eh? Got to slow down a bit there, people. What do you got here? The monster truck thing. The little kids, eh? And the slippery dip. Just wait for this little kid to go past, eh? Safety first. I better get out of here. It's a bit busy. But you can still see everything from down here. The big Ferris wheel, the Beast. That makes me sick in the stomach. I won't be going on the Beast again, ever. I think I was pale when I got off the Beast last time at Dreamworld. Sideshow Alley. There's, there's a merry-go-round in behind there, or one of those spinny things with the swings on it. Sorry about the trucks there, everyone. Coming up to the bridge here. Lots of traffic. Some blow-up boats for the kids. Oh yeah, more sickening rides. So all in all, it looks pretty good. There's a lot of rides here this year, but if it's $10 for the Dodgem cars, I guess it's going to be $10 for everything else. And there's toilets right down here at the other end, near the bridge. I'll see if I can sneak in around the back here and get a bit of a look in for you before I turn this off. That thing called again? The Twister, isn't it? Yeah, the Twister. Yeah, that's always good fun. And the Ibiza or whatever it is. So there you go, people. Sideshow Alley. Opening day. Gold Coast show. Have a great day. Stay safe.